I think you said it right too. Like technology plays a role in this, right? Like obviously you need a diagnostic tool of some type to pull data off the vehicles. And part of what we're trying to accomplish over here is like, okay, that's like 101 stuff everybody should be doing. But what we need to get to the point of when you're doing repairs is actually like a pre and post scan. So we're trying and we're going to be preaching to people like, look, before you even work on a vehicle, it doesn't matter what it came in for, an oil change, an overhaul, or something in between, like hook up a diagnostic tool and get a vehicle health report. It's like going to the doctor, like you kind of made the doctor comment earlier, like get your baseline established on what's going on. Because oftentimes what that driver's telling you and the fault codes and the data you see coming off the vehicle, or it could be two different things. They could be the same, but either way, you've either verified the driver's complaint or you found more issues or you found some more clues in it. And the more of those scans you do, the more you can understand what's going on with that vehicle and the issues it's having and the history it's having, and do the repairs. And then when you're done, do a post scan again, right? So scan it again and let's make sure we actually fixed everything that was wrong. Let's make sure we didn't induce new problems. And let's make sure we have a peace of mind here that this thing is working properly and it's good to go back to the customer. And it's really a good, like, kind of cover your ass thing too. Like the guy ain't gonna leave the shop and be like, hey, what the heck, man? Check engine light's been on since I left your place. Well, no, it has. Here's a proof of the scan. So it all comes down to like the methodology, the training, and technology kind of all have to merge together. So, people are like, what's TMC doing talking about root cause methodology? But it really does make sense.